ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬም ሌላ ጥያቄ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ እንደሚከተለው አቀርባለሁ። ጥያቄው about sequence ነው። የመጀመሪያው ቻፕተር ማለት ነው የ12ኛ ክፍል። Let us see it. The sequence AN is defined recursively as follows. It says that A1 is this one, A2 is this one, and N is greater or equal 3. ይሄኛው ጀነራል ተርም ፎርም ነው የተሰጠን። ለምን N greater or equal 3 ተባለ? እዚህ ጋር A1 እና A2 ስለተሰጡ ማለት። So we'll try to find out A6. A6ን ለማግኘት step by step solve እናደርጋለን ማለት start from 3 a3 is equals a2 plus here is a1 square when take n is equals 3 plus here is 3 what is a2 ስለተሰጠን this is 1 plus negative 1 square plus here is 3 1 plus negative 1 square 1 ስለሚሆን 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 3 that is 5 the value here is 5 what is a4 the fourth term for this one is a4 is equals to a3 plus a2 square plus here is 4 what is a3 obtained here that is 5 plus this is 1 square plus here is 4. The result becomes this is 5 plus 1 plus 4. This is 10. What about a5? The fifth term for this one is equals to a4 plus a3 square plus here is 5. What is a4? A4 is we solve here. This is 10 plus a3 square that means 5. 5 square plus here is 5. What the result? 10 plus 5 square 25. That is 35. 35 plus 5 which is equals 40. What the sixth term? A6 is equals to a5 plus a4 square plus that is 6. Since our n is what? 6 ስለሆነ n ናችን we take this one. What is a5? A5 that is 40 plus what is a4? A4 is 10 square. It is plus 6. In calculation 40 plus 10 square is what? 100. 100 plus 6 146 which is equals 146. So from the given choice the correct answer for this one is what? C is the correct answer. ቻናሉን ሼር ሰብስክራይብ እና ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ማንኛውም ማስተያየትና ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። መልካም ጊዜ እንደሆነላችሁ እመኛለሁ። ባይ ባይ።